Hey, all right, week 5. First off, let me apologize. My voice is absolutely shot, so I'll try to make this video short so you don't have to listen to me for too long. It's spring break this week, so enjoy your break. Everyone, me included, needs to step back for a little while and take a deep breath. But I did want to make you aware of next week. You've actually got a really busy week next week. So if your schedule allows it, if you can get a head start on a couple different things, I think it'll make life a lot easier for you next week. All right? So next week, you've got 3 different lecture videos scheduled. There's one on chordates, which deals with lancelets, tunicates, fishes, and amphibians. There's another one on chordates that deals with reptiles, birds, and mammals. And then your third lecture is a little bit shorter. It's on primate evolution. If possible, I would watch at least that first lecture video. Try to go ahead and watch the one on lancelets, tunicates, fishes, and amphibians. That way you won't have so much to do next week. And feel free, if you've got the time, you can go ahead and get even further ahead than that. But if you'll do that, that'll help you out. That way you won't have 3 lecture videos to watch next week. All right, just a heads up, your next exam 3, I know we just had one last week, but exam 3 is going to be, it's not the week after spring break, but it's the following week. I'm going to leave it open 3 days, Monday, April the 10th through Wednesday, April the 12th. So you've got a little bit longer to take that test, but if you'll go ahead and watch that first lecture video, that will help you out. All right. The other thing is that the lab that we have due next week. So here's the good news is this is our last dissection lab. After this, you'll still have a lot more labs, but you won't have to cut open animals anymore. Now this lab, you have 3 different dissections that you need to do. You're going to dissect a sea star, a perch, which is the type of a fish, and a frog. So if the book recommends, it says 6.5 hours. I think the book recommends that you have at least 5.5 hours to complete that lab. But if you can this week, I would go ahead and do 1 or maybe 2 of those labs, of those dissections. And that way you won't have so much to do next week. And that'll also give you more time to study for the test, which is the following week. All right, I'm going to shut up and make a hot cup of tea with honey now. But if you've got any questions, or if I can help with anything, please let me know. Thanks.